There's this channel with 40,000 subscribers. Look at their shorts. They're racking up thousands, even millions of views. Another channel is called Mutated Beings. It was created just 1 month ago. It already has over 24,000 subscribers and over 5 million views. Their videos consistently get over 100,000 views. It's wild. Here's the exciting part. These channels aren't that huge yet. They're still growing, but growing super fast, which means this trend is in its early stages. That means you still have the chance to jump in early, stand out in this niche, and ride this wave to success. So why should this matter to you? Let me break it down, my friends. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, skyrocketing your views, and earning thousands of dollars on autopilot, this is your golden opportunity. And here's the best part. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create viral shorts like these without spending a single dollar. And if you have the patience to stick with me till the end, I'll reveal a game-changing secret strategy to turn these shorts into thousands of dollars in your pocket. I believe you won't want to miss it. Now, here's a little tip. If you want to walk away from this video fully equipped with everything you need, don't skip a single part. Pay close attention, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive right in. First thing first, let's analyze the competition. To succeed, you need to know what's working. Let's check out their most famous video and see what they're doing right. Okay, that's enough. I think I've cracked it. Their formula is simple but genius. They show AI animated animals, titans, and heroes customized for each country. Now, the first step we need to take is to choose the niche. If we look back at our competitor's most popular video, it's all about countries as titans. For this tutorial, we're going to put our twist on it and create countries as dragons. Sounds fun, right? So, let's get started. The first thing, we need to write image prompts. This might sound easy, but let me tell you, it can be a little tricky and time-consuming to get the details just right. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I've created a ready-to-use prompt that'll save you tons of effort and help you generate the perfect images for your video. So, here's what it looks like. I want prompts to generate hyper-realistic images of dragons that represent specific countries. It should combine details from the country's culture, history, and famous places. Imagine the dragon's looks. Clothes and accessories reflecting the country's unique style. The background should feature well-known landscapes or monuments from that country. Now, to make things simple for this video, I'll focus on just 5 countries: China, India, Brazil, Egypt, and United States. But you can choose any country you want. I'm just giving you ideas. Oh, and here's a little bonus for you. I've included this prompt in the video description below so you can grab it easily and follow along. And if you're following along, let me know what kind of AI creations you're working on. I'm excited to see your ideas. So, what's next? Now that we have the prompt ready, let's head over to ChatGPT. I'll paste the prompt and see what it generates. And there it is. A detailed description for each dragon image. That's perfect. But let me share a quick hack for you. If you've ever watched a video on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram and thought, I wish I could create something like that, but didn't know how to craft the right image prompt, don't worry. Here's what you do. Take a screenshot of the part you love, go to image2prompt.com, upload the screenshot, and let it work its magic. In seconds, you'll get a detailed prompt you can use. Easy, right? With this little trick, you'll never run out of ideas again. Alright, now that our image prompts are ready, it's time for the fun part, actually generating the images. Feel free to use any text-to-image generator you like. For this tutorial, I tried Leonardo AI first. While it sometimes gave good results, it wasn't always consistent. After some research, I found a free tool that works even better for me. It's called Dreamina. It's part of CapCut, and it's 100% free. Here's how you do it. Open your browser, search for Dreamina, and click the first link. After you log in, you'll land on the main page. Before diving in, let's tweak a few settings to get the best results. Set the model to Image 2.0 Pro. Set the quality to 10. Use an aspect ratio of 9:16, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts. Now that we're set, let's bring our first prompt to life. I'll go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, paste it into Dreamina, and add hyper-realistic image at the end. Then click Generate. Wow, look at these, 4 stunning images. Just look at this one. It's absolutely incredible. Anyway, let's move on. I'll head back to ChatGPT, grab the next image prompt, paste it into Dreamina, and repeat the process. Again, I'll add hyper-realistic image at the end. Then click Generate, and boom! Another set of amazing visuals. Stick around while I quickly generate the remaining images. Next, it's time to take these images to the next level by upscaling them to look even more stunning. And the best part, I'm gonna do it without using any paid tools. Simply click on this HD icon and you're done. Let's see what we've got. I think it looks even better now, doesn't it? I'll go ahead and upscale all the remaining images. Once all the images are ready, download them to your device. and you're set to move on to the next step. But
Wait
hey,
for it.
if you're loving this process so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps. Now that we've got our images, it's time to bring them to life by turning them into videos. For this, we'll use Hailuo AI. Just open your browser, search for Hailuo AI, and click the first link. Then log in with your Google account. The thing I love about this tool is that if you're new, you get a 3-day unlimited free trial, and existing users get 100 tokens every day. I think it's a great opportunity to start before it becomes 100% paid. Now here's what I'll do next. I'll upload the first image we created. Once it's uploaded, I'll head back to ChatGPT, grab the corresponding image prompt, paste it into Hailuo AI's prompt field, and click Create. After that, I'll add 2 more images to fill up the queue. Keep in mind that the generation process can be slow for free users, so you can take a break. Touch some grass, help some old lady cross the street, and then come back. I'm just kidding. Don't worry if patience isn't your thing. You can log in with another Gmail account, or ask your friends if they could give you their Gmail to speed things up. I know they won't give it to you, but anyway, ask them. Once all your video clips are generated, download them to your device. If you've made it this far, you're crushing it. Seriously. And by the way, I'll leave all the resources I used in a Google Docs document so you can easily access everything and follow step by step along with me. Alright, my friend, let's move on to the next step in our creation process, which is editing our final video. And after that, I'm gonna show you how you can actually make money from these videos, so just stay tuned. For this tutorial, I'll be using CapCut's desktop version, but feel free to use any editing software you're comfortable with. Open CapCut and click Create Project. Import all your upscaled video clips, then drag them onto the timeline. Then set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Next, let's add some flair with transitions. Go to the Transitions tab and explore. I'll use a couple of my favorites, but you can choose whatever fits your style. There are so many options. Now let's take it up a notch with text and emojis. Go to the Text tab and add a text block. On the right, type the country name. Choose a bold font and apply a cool preset. Add the country flag as an emoji, but make sure the text is larger than the flag for a clean, bold look. Copy and paste the text block to the other video clips, updating the text and flags accordingly. Alright, so here's what I'm doing to make the video look super cool. First, I'm starting with an effect called Wobble. I'll tweak it a little to make it flow better, and then apply it to the whole clip. After that, I'm adding the night effect for a moody, dramatic vibe. Now, to make things really pop, I'm using the distorted whirl animation. This one's going right in the center of the video, just before the final scene. It will add that unexpected twist that grabs attention. Once that's set, I'll copy these animations and paste them across the other clips to keep everything consistent. But here's the fun part. I'm gonna spice it up a bit. For example, I'll add a lightning effect in the United States scene and an explosion in the Egypt scene. The idea is to get creative, play around, and add whatever feels right to make each scene stand out. Trust me, little details like these make a huge difference. Before we move on to the music and sound effects, I'm going to add a short statement at the beginning of each country's dragon. For example, let's take a look at Egypt as a dragon, and I'll do the same for all the countries. To do this, I'll be using an all-in-one AI tool called DupDup. It's a great AI tool with plenty of incredible features that can be extremely helpful for creating high-quality content, especially on YouTube. You can also use 11 Labs for this, but I'm choosing DupDup because we'll also need it for the sound effects later. So head over to dupdup.com, or to make things even easier, just click the link down below. I've put together a free Google Doc for you guys that you can grab right from the description. This doc includes all the steps, prompts, and software we're using in this video. So once you're in, you'll see a bunch of tools. I'll go to the voiceover tool, then paste the statement here. Let's start with Egypt. Then I'll download it from here. I'll do the same for all the remaining countries. Once you've downloaded the voiceovers, go back to CapCut and upload them. Then, resize each voiceover according to the country.
Let's take a look at Brazil brought to life as a dragon.
To make the video sound realistic and captivating, you'll need to add some sound effects. And for this, I will go back to DupDup again. Head to the AI sound effects section, where you'll need a good prompt. To keep things simple, I'll ask ChatGPT, please give me unique sound prompts for each warrior dragon image scenario. Focus on capturing the mood of the dragon and the intensity of the scene, with the dragon's roar and presence being the central focus. ChatGPT generates perfect sound prompts tailored for each country's dragon. So I'll start with the first prompt for China. Copy it and paste it into Duped Up. Duped Up allows you to generate sound effects up to 22 seconds, but I'll click on Custom and set it to 6 seconds, adjusting the stability slider all the way to the end for the best results. Then hit Generate. Let's listen. Wow, that's impressive. I'll download this sound and repeat the process for the other countries, ensuring each dragon has its own distinct sound. Once all the sound effects are downloaded, head to CapCut, import them, and align each sound effect with its corresponding dragon. For the music, you can head over to Pixabase's music library and search for something like dark hip-hop beat. Let's scroll down. Let's give this one a listen. Yeah, I think it works perfectly for the vibe we're going for. Let's download it. Now, jump back into CapCut, upload the music, and then resize it to match the length of the video so everything flows smoothly. You could also consider adding your watermark like this. When everything looks amazing, export the video in 4K for the best quality. Alright guys, let's see the final result of our clip. But stick around with me because right after this, I'll reveal how you can actually make money with these shorts.
Let's take a look at Brazil brought to life as a dragon. Let's take a look at China brought to life as a dragon. Let's take a look at the United States brought to life as a dragon. Let's imagine India as a magnificent dragon. Finally, let's take a look at Egypt as a mighty dragon.
And there you have it, an eye-catching clip in minutes. Now, as promised, let's dive into how you can make money from these shorts. Well, actually, there are 3 awesome ways to make money from these shorts. The last one is the game changer. First, let's start with the classical way, which is earning ad revenue. To start making money this way, you'll need to meet YouTube's requirements, which is 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views on your shorts in the last 90 days, or 4,000 watch hours on longer videos in a year. But hey, don't let those numbers scare you. With consistent uploads and high-quality videos, you can absolutely achieve this in a very short period. And the best example is this channel I showed you at the beginning. They managed to reach more than 17,000 subscribers and more than 3 million views in just one single month. The second way is print on demand. Think about it. You can turn your AI-generated images into products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them online. And make it clear for you, let me give you an example from this video we just created. Let's say we created dragons specific to different countries. Someone from one of those countries might love having that design on a t-shirt or mug or whatever. It might sound unrealistic, but it works 100%. You can use platforms like Shopify to set up your store. And here's the best part. You can connect your store to your channel. This means your products will appear right below your video, making it super easy for viewers to buy. Last but not least, here's the real game changer: creating and selling a course. It might sound overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Let me show you exactly how someone is already making thousands of dollars each month and how you can do the same. There's this amazing Japanese YouTube channel called Strange Love, which was started just 8 months ago. They create mind-blowing horror shorts, surreal images, very similar to what we're discussing here. Here's the exciting part. Now they're raking in thousands of dollars each month. Let me break it down for you. If you look at the description of one of their shorts, as you can see, it says, "Link in profile for how to make AI videos." When you click that link, it takes you to an article they've written. Of course, it's in Japanese, but I'll translate it for you. The article explains the step-by-step process of creating the AI shorts featured on their channel. But here's the twist. To access the full article, you have to pay 1,500 yen, which is about $32. Now, let's do some quick math. If just 100 people buy this article every month, that's $3,200 in passive income. And the best part? They only had to create the course once. After that, it keeps bringing in money, month after month, with no extra effort. Let me give you the roadmap you need to follow. 1. Start a YouTube channel in a unique niche. 2. Create high-quality shorts. 3. Build an audience, and then teach people by selling your own course. It's a win-win. And by the way, If you want to learn exactly how to make these kinds of AI shorts, comment strange below and I'll create a free course for you right here on YouTube. This is a special offer from SciDocs, so don't miss it out.